Hello, today we will guide you through how to download reservation list on Booking.com. To begin, open the Booking.com group homepage in your browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Starting from the group homepage is helpful because it gives you access to the main navigation area where reservation tools are located. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. The layout can vary a little depending on your account settings, but the key options should still be available in the top menu. Once you are on the homepage, look at the top toolbar and click on Reservations. This section is where Booking.com keeps the reservation-related tools and information for your property or group account. After selecting reservations, you should be taken to the page that displays your booking and stay data. This area is useful whenever you need to review current reservations, check records, or export information for reporting and internal use. When the reservations page opens, find the download option and click on it. This is the action that allows you to download the reservation list from Booking.com. Depending on your browser and system settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be prompted to choose where you want to save it. If you do not immediately see the file, check your browser's downloads folder or the default download location on your computer. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to confirm the file has downloaded successfully before closing the page. Open the downloaded file if needed to make sure it contains the reservation information you were expecting. This can save time, especially if you need the list for operations, reporting, or sharing with your internal team through approved channels. If the download option is not visible right away, give the page a moment to fully load and check that you are in the correct reservations area. In some cases, permissions or account access levels may affect which options are available, so you may need to verify that you have the right level of access for downloading reservation data. That's all it takes to download a reservation list on Booking.com. Start from the group homepage, open the reservations section from the top toolbar, and click Download to save your reservation list. Following these steps carefully should help you complete the process quickly and smoothly.